How to transfer money from Cash App to Chime. To move money from Chime to Cash App, add your Chime debit card to Cash App. You can also link your Chime bank account to Cash App to spend your funds with the Cash App. Just follow these easy simple steps and you'll be able to transfer money, so let's jump right into it. 1. Open Cash App on your device and ensure you have your Chime debit card ready. This allows you to link your Chime account and transfer funds instantly. 2. Tap your profile picture. It's in the top right corner of the Cash App screen. 3. Tap Linked Banks. This is next to a chain icon that you'll have to scroll down to see. 4. Tap Link Bank to open Plaid and log into your Chime account. If another bank is already linked, tap its name and select Replace Bank to proceed. 5. Use Plaid to search for Chime, then enter your email and password to log in. To enter details manually, tap X and input your routing and account number. Once linked, you can use Chime as a funding source in Cash App. 6. Make a payment. In Cash App, enter the amount to send and tap Pay to make a payment. Since Chime is your linked bank account, the money will be withdrawn from that account. Skip adding your bank and deposit a check directly into your Cash App account. And that's all for this video. I hope you learned something new today. Thank you.